When this 18-year-old defendant viciously attacked a 14-year-old and flaunted it on TikTok, she learned the hard way as the judge wasn't letting her off scot-free.
Ms. Jones, it's my understanding that the agreement today is that you will plead no contest to assault and/or assault and battery. That is a 93-day misdemeanor and/or a fine of $500, and consecutive sentencing may be imposed if the offense happened in the place of confinement. Now, along with that, there's what's called a Killebrew agreement, and what that is the prosecution and your attorney and you have reached an agreement that you'll be placed on a delay of sentence. And if you're successful with that delay of sentence, the case would be dismissed. Success means that you complete all the programming that your probation officer requests that you do, and you not have any violations. Do you understand that?
Yes.
March 31st, 2025, here in the city of Cadillac of Wexford County, how do you plead to committing the offense of assault and/or assault and battery?
No contest.
As does the court. I find the plea is knowing, voluntary, and accurate. As such, Ms. Jones, I find you guilty of assault and/or assault and battery. In particular, on March 31st, 2025, there is a video that shows Ms. Jones hitting, kicking, kneeing as the victim is lying in a fetal position. The victim is a 14-year-old middle schooler. The victim reported that she had no injuries. It is alleged in the police report that Ms. Jones posted another video on TikTok captioned round 2, and this appeared to be all over some things that were said about another's deceased mother. Mr. Hartel, any allocution?
Anytime it's no contest, especially for civil liability, I'm cautious to overly allocute for obvious reasons. But what I will say is my client has, to my knowledge, done well on bond. She does have strong ties to the community. I don't doubt she'll do well on probation. She's highly motivated to do well and receive the benefit of the delay.
I'm going to be very honest with everybody. I don't plan on following this Killebrew agreement. She's an 18-year-old who literally kicked and beat a 14-year-old in a fetal position on the ground because of something that was said about somebody else's deceased mother, and then had the gall to post another video of it on TikTok. That's not somebody who's making a mistake. A delay of sentence is to allow the court to determine whether or not the person will be successful on a term of delay in sentence and hopefully follow through with the plans. From what I've seen from Ms. Jones, this is not a one-time mistake. Ms. Jones has been in and out of this, whether it's this court or the probate court or somehow tied with other events. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this over for sentencing. As I sit here today with the information I have, I cannot in good conscience let this just get, for all intent and purposes, swept under the rug.